If you're serious about betting, you need the best tools at your fingertips. I have talked about how mastering the art of form analysis can instantly turn your betting life around, and Sofascore is just the best live score update app for that. If you want to make smarter bets, this app is for you. Sofascore offers unparalleled form analysis, lightning-fast result updates, and a user-friendly interface that makes it easy to stay on top of your bets. Plus, with comprehensive betting odds tracking, Sofascore ensures you're always ahead of the game. This app will revolutionize your betting experience, giving you the edge you need to succeed. Don't miss out. Let's dive into how Sofascore can change your betting life. The first feature I'm going to talk about is this underrated message box right here. In some of my previous videos, I've mentioned how watching football matches live can make you a lot of money with live betting. With this feature, you don't have to watch football games live. Why? Because this is the closest thing to watching a match live. Here, you'll have different people from all over the world commenting, so even if the match is a Chinese competition, there will be people who are watching the match and updating you. For instance, if two teams with similar abilities are about to play and you don't know which one to bet on, you can wait until the match starts and ask in this comment section. People will tell you which team is playing better, or how relaxed or aggressive both teams are, so you can decide if you'll place an under or over goal live bet. The next feature is the match info section, with a focus on the referee, for those who love to bet on cards. One thing about the average card stat is that it rarely misses, especially the average yellow card stats. For example, in a game between Dortmund and Madrid, the referee's average yellow card rating was 4.14, and if I look up here to see how many yellow cards were given in this match, it's exactly 4. In other games, it could be more or less, depending on the nature of the two teams involved, but this info will definitely be helpful. So start taking referee stats seriously. Next is the team's form in the last 5 games and both teams' ratings in all the matches they've played so far this season. In this section, once a match begins, you will get the ratings of the top 3 best players on the pitch from each team. Another important tool on Sofascore is the momentum tracker. This shows moments of high attack or low pressure when the match is in play and is very useful in live betting to show which team is more threatening. In the lineup section, you'll find the potential first 11 predictions for both teams, depending on player availability and performance. You will have access to information about the average age of the team's first 11 as well as updates about missing players. I've talked about how important this is, despite the fact that people neglect it. In the statistics section, you can find almost everything that happens once the match starts. We have the expected goal info, which indicates how many goals a team should have scored based on the number of clear chances they've missed. This can tell you who's posing more of a threat in the game, especially if you're a live bettor. And of course, we have other info like possession, shots on target, fouls, a pictorial image of where the shots were taken or where the goals were scored, as well as the areas each team performed best on the pitch. You can click to separate the first half statistics from the second half. In the commentary section, a cool new addition, you can follow the match live to be informed about key moments in the game. Now to the standings section, which is the league table. You will have access to all the important stats needed for straight win and over or under goals analysis. I used this section a lot in my videos about form analysis, especially the goals scored and conceded part. The most important tool when it comes to betting options is the matches category. In case you don't know, football betting is all about good decision making. Here, you have all the most likely betting options that the match could produce. After doing your analysis, you can pick the option that you think is safest. These possible outcomes are derived from both teams' performances or streaks in the last few games and their head-to-head stats. Here, you will be provided with the probabilities of these options happening as fractions. Another useful tool under this category is the goal distribution table, for those who love to bet on first half or second half results. Here, you can see both teams' total goals scored and goals conceded in the season so far, divided into 15-minute sections throughout 90 minutes. So if you want to bet on a team to score or not in the first 10, 15, or 20 minutes, or your choice is over 0.5 or 1.5 goals in the first half or maybe first or second half to produce more goals, this section will be very useful to you. You can also switch this to either home or away, as we know this is one of the factors that influence football betting. Underneath this, we have both managers' head-to-head stats, and then the straight win odds and probability in percentage. On this channel, I made a video about how to turn odds into probability and all that. But with Sofascore, You don't have to calculate anything because the info is already provided. Below this, we have the previous meetings of both teams to know how they've been performing against each other in past encounters. Now, there's one important feature for straight win betting, and this is the recent form bar. If a team beats an opponent that is usually hard to beat or is not expected to be beaten, the column is higher. If they are strong favorites and they lose, then the red column is bigger. If they draw against a team that is better by odds, the gray column goes high. In addition, we have the most important info in form analysis in my opinion, which is the current match's performance. This really tells how the teams are doing at the moment, especially in terms of goal scoring. One last thing I want to teach you is how to turn on a voice that will update you on the results of the matches you turn on notifications for. Instead of opening several matches every minute to know the result, you can turn on the text-to-speech by clicking on your profile, selecting Settings, and turning on text-to-speech. By doing this, a voice will update you on different match results like this.
Borussia Dortmund, Real Madrid, goal, 0-2 Real Madrid.
And to see all the matches that are being played at the same time, instead of opening all the leagues to check the result, all you do is press the live button. The Sofascore app is very easy to use and navigate. You can learn a lot and turn yourself into a pro bettor by working with it. Download this app now using the link in the comment or description box if you want to up your betting game.